Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Runway with Code. So today I gonna show you my one of my project that is on website. So I hope you like this. So now let's see. So here I use just HTML, CSS and somewhat JS. So there is no backend. Okay, so I just design a website and we can add backend at any time. Okay, so let's see. Go live. So here I use VS Code as an editor. So see, this is a navigation bar of my page that have home, about, services. Services also drop down. Okay, so here we can give link of other pages too. Here is a contact us page. Okay, so this navigation bar is a sticky, means it not hide in all over our website. Okay, so here we can search. So see, here is a slideshow. Okay, having left and right button, and we can also go from here. Okay, so here is a department image. Here's the name of the image basically came. Okay, see. Okay, so this is a slideshow of our website. So the topic of this website, or the why I made this, is Anusandhan Lab. So this is a lab of our college. So see, here I use hovering effects. So I hope you like this. Okay, so here is our intro part of our website. See, Department of Computer, so its vision is there, and Anusandhan Lab vision is there. So if we click on this read more, we simply redirect to this page. Okay, so it also have read more button. See, here we can take our image and here this. So see, read more. We click on this read more. See, the hidden div is also come. Okay, see, here is our subtopics, and so don't go to the images. Images are not available at that time, so I use random image. Okay, so see, list of completed project is there and list of ongoing project is there. Okay, so it's a footer. Okay, that reflect on all over website. Okay, see, here we can give the link of BPIT or somewhat another Anusandhan lab. Okay, so see the effects. So I hope you like this effects. See, here we give the link of all the pages. See, okay, so this is our feedback and we can submit. So it is a text area, we can simply increase it. Okay, so this is all about home page, and simply about page is also this, that is we go from here redirecting page, read more. Okay, so this is also about page, and simply we can read more and unhide the div. Okay, so service is not available at that time, and contact us. See, contact us is what, here you can say name. Okay, email and message जो भी आपको देना है, and then submit. Okay, so this is all about the contact members from of the team of Ansandhan Lab. So here whatever you can give, that is in the team of Ansandhan Lab, and we can say here also add simply hide and show of the information about these persons. Okay, so see, so this is a simple project of my Ansandhan lab. I hope you like this, and if you want source code, please mention in the comment. I will definitely give you. Okay, so thank you so much, and if you like this video, so kindly please subscribe the channel and like the video so you don't miss any notification related to the videos. So yeah, one thing is also there, this website is not responsive, okay, so yet. Okay, but we made this responsive in our next video of this playlist. Okay, so till thank you so much, and please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.